What if you're only living at 40% of your true potential?
Here's how you can unlock the other 60% right now. This is your guide to building an unbreakable mind.
It's from the book Can't Hurt Me by former Navy SEAL David Goggins.
So, what's the mission? It's actually pretty simple. You've got to callous your mind. Let's start level 1. Your first tool for mental armor is called the accountability mirror. The whole point is to get brutally honest with yourself.
No more lies, just raw truth. That's what sparks real change.
Your quest, write down your goals and face them in the mirror daily. All right, now that you're facing facts, let's grab your next tool.
Level 2. This power-up is called the cookie jar. And no, it's not for snacks. It's a list of all your past wins.
You're going to use those memories for fuel when you feel like quitting. So your next quest is easy. List 3 times you overcame the odds. Now for the big one, the idea that started this whole explainer.
Okay, level 3. This is probably the most powerful idea in the book. It's the 40% rule. And listen up, because this is a game-changing.
When your mind screams stop, you're only at 40% of what you can actually do.
Your quest. Next workout, when you want to quit, do 5 more reps.
Ready for the advanced stuff? All right, let's unlock the bonus round.
This one's called Taking Souls. It's about dominating your competition.
The idea? Outwork everyone so completely that you break their spirit.
Final quest, today, do one extra thing you know your competition won't.
If you want to keep leveling up, the full summary PDF is linked for you.
Check the description or the pinned comment to grab it.
And hey, if this helped, do me a favor. Like, share, and subscribe.
Comment your next step below and tell me what book to cover next.